Inbound long and stringy. Way overhead. Military. Aye. A long and stringy trail. From the other side. Guiding back out the plane now. I'm all over the shop with this, aren't I? Four engines making two plumes, two strings. So much for long and stringy speed of at top of Darlow. As you can see, it's just one trail now. It's way off in the distance. And it's Spade Darlington, northeast coast of England. There you go, pretty more permanent than the stringies. No dispersal. That's a Snot Rocket. There we have it, as I thought. United States Air Force. Dirty again. Again, always again. Boeing C-17A Globemaster III. USAF, 34,000 feet, currently up at Carlisle. Registration 01-0196. Registration Alpha Echo 10 Bravo Foxtrot. Flying RCH225. Dirty. I should just piss off for doing this. That's USAF trail from the Globemaster. You know, ironically, in this light, we've got a RAF Airbus just gone over. Can't see it. It's only 24,000 feet. This one was 30 odd. Hell of a nasty trail, the United States Air Force. Bloody fascist. That's not a condensation trail, by the way. The long stringy sides are gone. That hasn't. And likewise, it's not a cloud dragon either. That's a chemtrail. That one over there is Lufthansa Cargo Airlines. he's trailing. Right, okay, I can't keep with this. There you go. Spread right the way back. I've got a USAF obviously. Lufthansa is well in the distance. Spread all the way back. Now we know he's over this way. Just gone behind the trees. So there's our Lufthansa. Lufthansa Cargo Airlines, Delta-Alpha Lima Foxtrot Alpha. A lot of alphas there. 3 Charlie 70 Charlie 1. Flight Golf Echo Charlie 8189. 35,000 feet as it goes out North Sea. Operator code GEC going from Chicago to Frankfurt. It's a Boeing 777 Foxtrot Bravo Tango and a dirty Snot Rocket at that. Just a shame I couldn't keep with it so easy. Hello, nearly 25 past 5. A chem over there that well dispersed, you can see. I'm not going to try and track it, I just can't be bothered, to be honest. All the same, there you go. Rest of the sky, milky white. Can't bloody catch anything on that. Not that there's many planes spraying. In fact, as we had Lufthansa, well, the parcel service, whatever, it's cargo in it. Oh, a dicky blurred. And United States Air Force again. That's about it up to now. Don't know who laid this one though, but don't care.